Hi children, good day to you all. Today we are going to see properties of addition and subtraction of integers. And this closure under addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is also an integer. Right? What do you mean by that? See, I am taking a as some 5 and plus 6. If we add 5 plus 6, we get 11. This is also an integer. Right? What we say means, if any two integers are added, we get the answer. That answer will be in an integer. Right? The same way in subtraction also you can say some minus 1 plus minus 2. If we add these two, we get minus 3. This minus 3 is also an integer. Also we could say closure under subtraction. In closure under subtraction, for any two integers a and b, a minus b is also an integer. The same way, if you take some 7 minus 8, for a is 7 and b is 8, and we get minus 1. This is also an integer. So this condition satisfies. Next, for commutative property and this addition, for any two integers a and b, if a plus b is equal to b plus a, then integer addition is said to be commutative. That is, if you take a is 2, then b is 3. If we add these two, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Also 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Right? So this property satisfies. Under the commutative property, this addition satisfies. Okay, 2 plus 3 is also equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 is also equal to 5. Therefore, a plus b equal to b plus a. Right? For associative property, adding integers will have the same result regardless of the grouping. The sum will not change even if the integers are grouped differently. What do you mean by that? If you take a plus b plus c, 3 integers, that 3 integers equal to a plus b plus c. That is, we can group in different way. Like a plus b plus c gives the same answer. Also a plus b plus c. Also we can say a plus b plus c. We can group any way. In addition, even if we group differently, we will get the same answer in left hand side and in right hand side. See, we get for a 1, for b 2, for c is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, then 3 equal to 6. Then again a is 1, b plus c, 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 1 plus 5 is 6. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this property satisfies. Same way, even if you give a equal to minus 5 and b equal to minus 2 and c equal to minus 3, see, minus 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 equal to minus 5 plus minus 2 plus minus 3. First we should add these two. Minus 5 plus minus 2 equal to minus 7. This plus into minus becomes minus. So minus minus we should add it and we should put the symbol of negative sign. Right? The same way here. So minus 7 minus 3 equal to minus 10. Then here minus 5 plus of this minus and plus into minus is minus here. So 2 plus 3 is 5. We should put negative sign. So minus 10. So left hand side equal to right hand side. So in associative property, this condition satisfies. An additive identity, a plus 0 equal to a, that is equal to 0 plus a. What do you mean by that? If we add 0 to any integer, we will get the same answer. That's the additive identity, right? Before we start exercise 1.2, we go for an example 1, page number 9 here. Write down a pair of integers whose first sum is minus 3. You need to find the sum of minus 3. See, minus 1 plus of minus 2 will gives you minus 3. This is one type. Other type, minus 5 plus 2 the greater number is minus here, so we put minus symbol here and we subtract these two and gives the answer is minus 3. Okay, whatever you do, the sum here should be the sum, plus is sum. If you add, you should get minus 3. Okay, next for difference is minus 5. For difference, minus 9 minus of minus 4, they have taken minus 9 and minus of minus 4 equal to minus 5. Minus into minus becomes plus. So minus 9 plus 4 gives minus 5. The greater number is 9 here, so we put this greater symbol and we subtract these numbers to get minus 5. Or otherwise we could say minus 2 minus 3. We should add these two and put the same sign here. We will get minus 5. Then see sum. You can see difference is 2. For difference is 2, in both ways we can do. Minus 7 minus of minus 9 equal to 2. Okay. Otherwise we could say 1 minus of minus 1 is equal to 2. You can also use other numbers also. You can use a minus 5 and minus of minus 7 also here. Be any number. The difference should be 2, that's all. And for sum is 0 means any number. 5 plus 5 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, and minus 10 plus 10 equal to 0, plus 3 minus 3 is 0, anything. Okay, you could take any numbers, but you should get these answers. That's it. Okay, next we move on to exercise 1.2 here. Write down a. Next we move on to exercise 1.2. First sum you can do from example 1, as I said. Second one I have done for you. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Pair of negative integers means both the numbers should be negative and there should be negative symbol. Difference means negative symbol. So minus 2, minus gives a different symbol, then minus 10. Pair of negative integers, minus 2 and minus 10 are pair of negative integers. Then after this, minus into minus will be plus. So minus 2 plus 10 will gives you 8. The answer is 8. Right? Next, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Negative integer minus 7 and sum should be plus. Then the positive integer I have taken as 2. So minus 7 plus 2 will gives you minus 5. Next, write negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. So difference minus. So negative integer is minus 2 and positive is 1. So minus 2 minus 1 gives minus 3. And third sum, in a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? See, team A has scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B is 10, 0, minus 40. I am adding these. If I am adding this, I am getting minus 30. Minus 40 plus 10 will give minus 30. The same way 10 and minus 40 gives minus 30. So both are equal. So we should say both the teams are equal. Okay. Fourth sum you can do by yourself, I think so. Okay. So complete the exercise 1.2, children. Thank you.